guys, so I'm starting off the vlog a little late today. It's not really late, but y'all, my hair's not doing what it's supposed to do, but my lashes are. I just got my lashes done by Mo. She did her thing, honey. So I was gonna go straight to Airbnb, but I'm about to go to Brianna's house first to fix this. First, I need food. I'm hungry as heck. And gas, y'all. I need gas. As y'all can see, I'm at Shell right now, and I just remembered I have long nails, so I think I went with a friend. I can't remember who it was. I feel like it was Brandon, but me and him went to a gas station and he went inside and paid by card, and so I'm gonna try that. Usually I do it here by myself, but I just don't have anything. That would allow me. All right, I don't have anything that would allow me to like take out the card myself, so I'm about to go inside and hopefully it works. Let's see, I've never done this. I went inside, it worked. I told him to do 20 and that almost filled my tank, but that's good. So we about to head over to get our food and then go back home. Well, not to my house, but you know, the city I'm from. I just got my food. I really should brush my hair sometime, shouldn't I? I was listening to that gospel. Anyway, I will brush my hair, trust me, but I got Wingstop. Fallon's gonna ask me why. Oh, I'm out of breath. Oh my gosh. Fallon's gonna ask me why. Whew. Hold up. Oh my gosh. I'm ashy too. This is really not a good look. Fallon's gonna ask me why I got Wingstop instead of America's Best Wings, and it's because I wanted fries. Wingstop has the better fries. American Best Wings has the better wings and the better drink. So yeah. Don't get it twisted though. Wingstop wings still go crazy. Do you want wings, Brianna? Do you want wings? Wings? No. Old Bay and Cajun? No. Alright.
Hi vlog. You know, birthday mishaps.
Wait, don't do that. You're sick. Yo, Brianna, you're sick.
I'm hilarious.
Wait, let me see the before though. We cut it out. I thought she was gonna correct me.
I cut it out.
We cut it out. This is it. Can you guys imagine? This is crazy. Shout out to Brianna. She's the goat.
It's a hot mess.
We can brush her, right? And save her. Can we save her or no?
We can deep condition it.
Okay. We?
Yeah. Should pass the bag to put this stuff in.
She just dumping my. She said this stuff? Like, it's hair, baby. I told this boy. Huh?
They give you this bag, so I don't have plastic bag.
You know, because they start charging for bags now. You know
yeah,
that?
I heard.
You heard? You've never been out?
No, we're trying to go out for quarantine.
Oh.
For quarantine, then I came outside. I'm like 20 cents for a bag. For 5 cents. Like Montgomery County used to did that.
They've been doing that.
Yeah, that's such a broke boy thing to do. Now let's try and get this back out. You were eating one little piece of your food.
My bad.
It's gonna hurt a little bit.
It hurts!
You're so tender-headed.
Bro.
I am too. No, I need to get my little concoction. Hold on.
Oh, wait. Can you eat wings with a fork?
Yeah.
You can? Okay, but can you clean the bones though?
Wait, can I eat wings with meat personally?
Yes.
No, I don't do that.
I told this boy that. He said, why would anybody do that? Because you don't want to get your hands dirty. But I can clean the wing. Y'all saw that? I can clean the wings. Look, Brianna. This is with a fork. I'm talented. Oh, it's dark as hell.
No, but turn on the light. There's more lights, but it's those.
Airbnb. Ooh, child.
Both of the bathrooms have the.
Wait, we need to clean up first. And then I'm gonna give you an Airbnb tour because the girls are gonna be here soon, honey. Alright, y'all. So I'm here, as y'all can see. I'm trying, you know, I'm trying to make it a vibe or whatever. So this is what I set up. Paulina's being kind. She's washing the cups for me, drying. I set this up. One more, her cup didn't come. It's okay, y'all. It's alright. And I'm setting up this little like movie theater candy station. Then we got the popcorn buckets. We're gonna figure out a place for that. Y'all can watch as I go. Okay, that looks better, right? This looks better?
Yeah, that looks good.
Y'all, does this look like you're at the movies? Like how the snacks are laid out? I tried, right? Y'all, I think I did good. Oh,
Don't try.
What do y'all think? Isn't this so cute? And this one, y'all saw me get that at the dollar store. I told you, don't sleep on the dollar store, honey. And y'all saw me get these at the dollar store too. This is cute.
I love them.
And then these are the cups I got, you know, the girls. I'm a Paulina era.
That's so much.
Yo, I got so much juice. We'll show you when it's in the fridge.
Jesus.
This is giving movie theater. That's the vibes I was going for.
No, I need to change it to some shorts. It's getting toastier and toastier.
Swords and stuff.
Hi vlog. Look at the vlogs. Look at the vlogs.
Look at my girl. Her dreadlocks are flowing, honey.
Stiff web.
Period, poo.
Stiff web. Alright, let me clean this. Let me clean this juice. Let me start.
I need to eat these wings.
Oh yeah, you need to eat something.
Where?
Just hand me up.
Uh-oh.
What?
Where's the balloon pumper? I haven't seen it. Pumper.
I brought out everything. It should be somewhere around here.
It has to be here.
Oh, what is that? Oh, is that the game? For the girls? Oh.
I'm so mad because I can't find the balloon pump thing. I literally have so many balloons, you guys. We got these colors. We got movie night colors. We got so many balloons. I can't find them. I'm about to call my mom and see if I left it at home. Because at least that would give me some ease. Because did y'all peep the phone case? Oh, okay. Y'all, so this is the setup. The girls, Paulina, Ayo, and Ira, did the balloon. Shout out to them. I left the balloon pump at home. I was so sad. I'm still sad, but they got me covered.
Yeah.
That's Paulina. Y'all know Paulina. That's Ira. That's that's Ayo. And then Ayo, such a genius, put the movie. That was Ayo, right? Your idea?
That's the top one.
Yeah. The movie night. I think that's real cute. Okay, we move. Oh wait, I should give them a whole tour.
I see you.
And then this is room 1. This is one room. Paulina and Ira staying in here. This little closet. And then they have a little bathroom in here. Super cute.
Yeah, me neither. I was eating chicken on the way here, but
here's the movie night setup.
I just had rice and stew today.
Y'all know the vibes.
yes.
Feel free to go and eat and drink, guys.
Oh, that's good. It was just my You done all
Yeah, I'm done.
Alright, send me those videos.
Okay, and then here is the room me and Iris thing. Y'all, these are all the excess stuff I bought so much. And then this is me and Ayo's bathroom. You want to know the vibes? Okay, y'all. I'll give you a better Airbnb tour, but we have to do enjoyment. It's almost 10 o'clock. She's being real fancy out here in the streets.
Okay, this is about to not work. Look, this is gonna.
I'm holding on to mine.
Oh, this go crazy. The pizza came. These girls made me get chicken and pineapple pizza. Yo, we trying to get the lyrics for JT's part. I can't get it down.
Hey, let me come and see myself.
Let's see. What's like Ray J? All these wanna fuck JT. They do.
Pull up G-Wax 3.
I can never get the lyrics.
I don't want to hear it.
I'm waiting for
I
you.
saw this part, but I don't really either. But like, you know, I make do.
You make this.
I'll leave a bitch mad stuck face. We hung feeling. Anyways, city girls make a wish like Ray J. Let me talk to them. All niggas wanna fuck JT. They do have cactus at SMC. Pull up G-Wax 3. They think if I suck they teeth. She wanna know. What? That's the loudest.
No, I think I couldn't hear it either.
You can't hear it, Mama.
I couldn't feel it.
I'm like, hey, you know. I'm like, hey, you know. Yeah, you looking kind of nice, you know. I've been feeling your vibe. My necklace broke. FYI. Oh, ready to go. So basically, you guys, we're playing. It's actually my birthday, but
It's your birthday!
but we're playing a card game right now.
Go.
And we're playing for the girls.
For the girls.
And Ayo got a card where she has to oh, she's looking for something.
I'm looking at the card.
She basically has to impersonate me, and I was like, yo, even though it's technically the next day, this is vlog worthy. Okay.
Okay.
So I wonder.
Oh my God, Ayo! Paulina!
She's not lying though.
This is what she really said.
I do exaggerate names. Bye.